Hi everyone, it's Matt McLennan with Kidder Mathews in Tacoma, Washington. I want to talk today about the importance of having a great vendor team. When you're working on a project in the commercial real estate market, you have to have great vendors. You want vendors that you've worked with, know, trust, understand that they're going to put out a good work product and are going to do it quickly. So I thought I'd share with you my list of go-to vendors so that you can have them in your mind. And I'm always happy to share any of my personal recommendations if you're looking for any help here in Washington State. So I would say at minimum, anytime you're looking at your vendor list, these are the groups you want to have on board. A general feasibility consultant, an environmental consultant for conducting phase one environmental testing, want to have a good wetland biologist, land use and code interpretation consultant, a great real estate attorney, and make sure you get an actual real estate attorney, not just a general attorney, roofing contractors, electricians, TI contractors, surveyors, a geotechnical consultant, engineering firms, a good architect, a title and escrow team that you've worked with and trust, traffic consultants, bankers, and debt brokers. And those are just to name a few. There's obviously more depending on the project that you're working on. But I would say at minimum, build your vendor list of those vendors, get a few contacts for each, figure out who you like working for, and stay in contact with them because they have great market information as well. You can always trade notes, and they can be really helpful in giving you some advice too on projects that you're pursuing. So hope that helps point you in the right direction. Thanks for watching.